na tayo mag-Tagalog. Okay, 3, 2, 1!
Wow,
What
so
is that?
delicious.
Who am I?
Hi guys! Ricohermoso Sibs here! New day, the new vlog. And for today's video, we will be doing the English-only challenge. So,
Wow, that's very challenging.
And today we will be doing a mukbang in collaboration with Unit 201.
Yay!
So they sent us some takoyaki.
Then we have here
We have here some japchae.
expensive in the Philippines. The last but not the least,
Yes, we have some chicken wings.
yay!
Of
Yummy!
course,
You will tell
if
them.
you're Filipino, you
need rice.
there's
There's the rice.
we need rice, yeah. We need rice, yeah.
Yes, guys, we need
And
some rice.
you need to tell them the flavors.
Okay.
Because they have so many flavors.
Yes. It's like, you know,
So give me your phone.
it's like, you know, there's like,
Let's just eat, guys. You just
Because I'm so excited to
Yes,
eat.
we're
Oh.
So for the chicken wings, the available flavors are honey sriracha, honey sriracha,
salted egg.
You can do
this
that.
for the first.
The flavors that they have are honey sriracha,
Okay.
salted egg,
Okay.
garlic parmesan, classic buffalo, teriyaki, hickory barbecue,
Wow,
soy
so
garlic,
many.
and honey lemon.
Yes.
See, there's a lot of flavors.
Yes.
Join us, guys.
Yeah,
That's it.
join us guys. Let's eat,
Wow.
let's eat, let's pray, let's pray.
Let's wait. But it's a little sleeping.
Amen.
Man, eat, eat.
The smell is so good.
Yes, the smell is like,
So
I'm so excited to try this
being hungry.
takoyaki.
what are you doing?
Okay, I mean,
I'll try this first.
I'm so
It's
excited to
chicken.
try this.
Chicken.
No, rice. Oh my gosh. Can you,
Wow.
can you see?
Yeah.
Can you see it?
wow.
Oy.
What do you call these flakes?
Yeah, you taste the.
What's that?
Mm.
Japchae?
Oh, yummy.
Yes.
What are you talking about?
Delicious. Delicious.
The takoyaki. Oh my god. Try it. So yummy.
What's this structure?
Oh,
Have some rice.
What flavor is that?
I don't know, malabi. I don't know the flavor, guys.
It's garlic parmesan.
Let's try the takoyaki.
Okay. Try this. Is this chili? Can I have tissue? Is it spicy?
No. Some, you know.
Guys, don't judge.
Guys, I'm just gonna eat. I'm not gonna talk.
So yummy. So yummy. I miss takoyaki.
Yeah.
Let me try the chicken wings.
Yes.
Let me try the chicken so I can fly.
By the way guys, we asked some questions through Instagram. So today, we're also gonna have a mini Q&A. Let's start with the Q&A. So we have a question from Steffi Chua.
Hi, Steffi.
What are your ultimate dream destinations?
Wow.
Dream destination.
Dream destination.
Dream destination.
Okay, my dream destination. Me first?
Yeah.
My dream destination is New York!
New York!
Yes!
Oy.
Because I want to see the
You
city
explain to them
lights.
why New York.
Yeah, because I want to see city lights.
But also,
There are some city lights, but I guess the city lights in New York is much more wonderful.
what's next?
I'm sweating now. Dream destination. Okay.
Mine's, Paris.
Wow, Paris.
Wow, may accent ah.
Why Paris? Because I want to take a picture behind the Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower.
With
Your dream is so big.
with them.
How about you?
About me. Dream destination.
Yeah.
I think it's
Where?
there's a lot. I have a lot of dream destinations and siguro
Siguro na kaya. Hindi ko na natin to.
my ultimate would be
Man!
I don't know if it's Switzerland or
Wow.
the one in the
Norway?
Yeah, Norway. Or Norway. Yeah.
Yeah, the Aurora.
Yeah.
Aurora.
Boulevard.
Borealis.
Yeah.
Yun, that one.
Boulevard of puti.
Boulevard siya. Rojas.
You, how about you?
Mine, I don't have it.
Really?
Mm.
You don't know where to go?
Yes. I just want to travel
Around the world.
around the world, relax,
There's no specific.
specific, planet.
Yeah, like,
Maybe in the galaxy.
Di ba, galaxy?
Maybe in the art.
Venus.
okay guys, watch the 100 if you don't know what we're talking about.
The art.
Yo, that's my dream destination.
Super. Wala kwenta.
Sabi nito, masasarap to kayo sa ano, boncho.
Oh, speaking Tagalog.
Oh, it's a little miss, no? I know. Yun. I remember our harmony days. We love speaking English.
Maybe Miss No is watching.
I miss now, Pastor Tan, miss you.
Miss No will spunk you.
Next question. Favorite Netflix series or movies?
From whom?
From Nicola Weisel.
Favorite Netflix series.
Series or movie?
Favorite
Nada.
only one? Only one?
Yeah.
Yours?
Yours.
Series or movie?
Yeah, series or movie. What?
La Casa de Papel.
Money Heist.
Mine.
About you? Yes, Money Heist too. Because the director there is so genius.
I haven't watched Money Heist.
Manny Pacquiao.
I haven't watched
Money.
I'm so sorry guys, I'm so
You haven't watched
drunk.
one?
I'm so drunk.
You haven't watched?
I haven't watched Money Heist kasi.
Oh,
That's why I don't
you're
know
so
that.
corny.
Yeah.
Kasi yeah.
Kasi.
Yeah, she doesn't know the story
Yeah.
yet, but she will watch soon.
Mine's Game of Thrones.
Just
Oh,
see.
Yeah.
Game of Thrones.
Yes, sir.
But it's not from Netflix.
Is
though.
there Game of Thrones in Netflix?
I think mine is the 100. Although
We're not yet done.
we're not yet done. Next question. What goals do you have for the next 5 years? Love you, ate. This is from Tin XRCM.
Tin.
Wait, what
What goals do you have for the next 5 years?
What goals?
I want to have a car. No, no joke. For the next 5 years, because 5 years from now, 2025 already. But for the next 5 years, I want to have a car, stable job,
Okay.
Stable job.
and that's it.
That's it. For me naman, I wanna have a place of my own and a successful career. Yeah.
Me, my goal for the next 5 years to have a stable job and
What job?
what job? Steve Jobs. What job? Civil engineer.
Yeah.
Engineer. My goal is to have a big project. Big project.
Like,
Like a big
Ayala Lancher. Yeah.
For me, my goal for the next 5 years is to become successful and to have my own business. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, business-minded.
And next, who is the most talented among all of you? Po. This one is from Fidel.
Ang talent, singer ka agad.
I think
TikTok. Vina.
it's Vina. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's Vina. Singer, dancer, actress.
Actress.
Musical eh.
All in one.
Yeah. This one from Cres Salvador. Do Julius and TORVIC have girlfriends? If yes, for how many months or years na? Hihi.
Yes, me, I have.
Yeah.
For how many years?
You don't know?
Wait.
No.
In coming 5 years.
Wow.
I have girlfriend in coming 5 years.
Solid.
Wow.
Solid.
Stay strong.
Stay strong.
Don't
Hopefully all. Hopefully all.
Hopefully all.
How about you?
Next question. Me, I'm single.
Yes.
Ready to, yeah. Just available.
And then this one from Cres Salvador also. Follow-up question for Via. Does she have a boyfriend? If yes, for how many months or years na?
Wow! For 2 years. Enrique Hill.
Next is from Giselle.
Giselle.
What is important? Following the dreams that your parents want for you or following your own dreams? Wow, that's a very Miss
Quick-
Universal.
Yeah, Miss
Critical question.
For me, of course, it's more important to follow your own dreams.
Yeah, that's
Because
my answer.
even if you follow the dream that your parents want for you, then I think you'll never be happy or contented unless you also want that dream that your parents want for you. So,
And I believe that your parents will also support
Yes.
what you love and your dream.
yeah.
Yes.
Believe.
Is that okay?
How about you guys?
Yeah.
How about
Yeah,
you?
that's-
What's your
that's
answer?
right.
Same answer.
That's the
Okay, bye.
safest answer. Okay, this one is from our cousin, Amina. Englishin nyo na lang
Okay.
daw. Sino pinakamatagal maligo sa inyo? Go English! Boys!
Ay, yung voice.
What?
Go!
Sino
pinakamatagal maligo sa inyo?
English ito?
Oo. Englishin nyo dalawa.
Who is the longest to take a bath?
Rephrase.
Who is the
Is the...
Who take a bath the longest?
Oo, yun.
who takes
Who takes a bath the longest?
The longest.
Who is the longest to take a bath?
But, it's also acceptable.
But yeah, it's acceptable.
Basta yun!
Basta di na
the shower. The shower is the
The long.
The longer.
It's the long.
Both.
No,
You.
Julius also.
Jason Nancy.
Julius.
But daddy is the longest.
Yeah.
Daddy is sleeping, he doesn't lie. I promise.
Daddy have his own bed.
Yes.
He's making a bed.
You know the towel like that, then sleep.
True.
Then sleep.
Oh my God. To Ate Vanessa, who's your favorite sibling? None. None, guys. Sure.
Favorite
This one is from the Anonymous. Favorite sibling?
Favoritism.
Favoritism.
I'm not thinking, guys. I'm not thinking who's
Yes,
my
you're not
favorite
thinking.
because I don't have a favorite. They're all my favorites.
Yes, guys, that's bad if you have a favoritism.
Wow.
You should love them all.
Yes.
My heart is
Safe answer, huh?
my heart went oops.
This one is from Chidar, who is sensitive.
Me, I'm sensitive.
Me too, I'm sensitive.
Need to teach
All of us, guys.
Yeah.
How do you explain this?
I easily get hurt.
Yeah.
I easily
Or-
get hurt.
I'm
And-
sensitive in a way that I get triggered easily. Triggered.
Triggered or cry.
So yeah.
So gusto ko dyan.
Sobrang sarap. Tagalog.
Really love it.
Ang sarap chapche.
Sarap.
Also, the takoyaki, also chicken is everything.
Everything. This one. Tagalog nyo ah. This one is from our cousin also, Alim. Okay. Sino pinakamalakas humilik sa inyo?
Okay, raise your hand. Volunteer.
English translate.
Volunteer na.
Translate nyo muna.
Who is... Me, I'm gonna translate. Who snores the loudest?
Wow.
Bravo, Kim.
Snores the loudest.
Yeah.
Snores.
Either Torvic
Yeah.
or Julius.
I'm not snoring.
You don't know.
Legit, I'm not snoring.
You
The
don't
two of
know
them.
that. Because you're sleeping. So you don't know.
No, me, I'm snoring right now. No.
Right now?
No, when
You're
you're
not
not
sleeping, Mem.
No, I'm...
The question?
No, when I'm sleeping.
You do. You don't know? You
Hindi,
don't
alam ko. Dati. Pero ngayon. When I roll na ngayon.
Oo, nakakilig ka pa din.
I thought...
Yeah,
no.
tanggapin mo na. So, last question from Chidar. What do you all have in common? What do you all have in common? For you.
Guys, for me, good looking.
Oh! Wow! Or what?
I hope so.
Our looks.
Wow!
Wow.
Yes.
You're that confident.
Common.
That's for me.
Yeah.
For me, I think the... What do you call it in English? The naughtiness. Tama ba
I
yun?
don't know if there's...
Nagano ba?
I don't know if there's a word like that.
Basta guys, yung kakulitan. Ay,
Ayan.
Tagalog na. What we all have.
O tama, naughtiness.
Hey,
Naughtiness.
okay. So,
What do you all have in common?
what do we all have in common?
Oh, that's...
I think
Think.
we like watching movies.
Oh, that's my answer!
Yes, we like watching movies.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's our hobby, guys.
Yeah.
That's our
That's our
Ano
common.
think pa?
That's true.
Like Like all of us, like daddy, mama, we all like watch movies.
We all like watching movies. Ano siya, guys?
We all like watching movies.
There you go. Okay. Will I read one?
Yeah.
Yes, we all have the same surname.
Oh.
Yeah, we're the same. We love movies.
Yeah.
All of us.
So there guys, we're done with our Q&A. And again, we would like to thank Unit 201 for sending us our food.
But first of all, close the challenge.
Yeah, who's the challenge?
Turn off the challenge.
Turn off the challenge.
Yeah.
Turn off the challenge.
Oh my god, I forgot. Guys, I'm turning off the English challenge in 3, 2, 1.
Sa wakas, guys. Grabe.
Finally!
Nakakapagtagalog. So yun guys, thank you so much again Unit 201 for sending us the food. Grabe, so
Yeah.
sarap.
Save namin ito para kay Daddy. Yun, i-follow nyo sila sa IG and sa Facebook, Unit 201.
Yes.
Promise guys, sobrang affordable and sobrang sarap.
Solid siya, guys. Solid
Yung
talaga.
takoyaki, chicken wings,
Chapchae,
chapchae, lahat. Sobrang ano niya, ang flavorful niya.
Hindi ka pinipipig sa lasa. Sarap.
So, lalagay ko na lang guys sa description box below yung mga social media accounts ng Unit 201 so that you can order. So, that's it for today's video. That's it for English only challenge. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Kahit sobrang nakaka-nosebleed guys.
Sana may kwenta yung mga sagot namin.
Sana nabusog ulit kayo sa pinanood niyo, guys.
Yes. And guys, that's it for today. But before ending this video, it's time for shoutout! So shoutout to Shalene Passion.
Shout out kay Ella Joan Passion.
Shout out to Angel Pauline Mendoza.
Shoutout kay Cheesy's Vlogs.
And shoutout din kay Mark Calado. So shoutout sa inyo guys.
Shoutout.
Thank you so much. And please click the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Kung meron kayong mga video suggestions guys, just comment them down below. And also follow us on our social media accounts listed in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching and we'll see you again next time. Bye!
Ayan.
Ay, grabe, I don't know how to speak Tagalog.
Sorry ko na